guys, it's Frank from Cruising with Wheels. Do you know all the questions that we get every day? Can you do a video on this? Do you have a video on that? Probable answer, yeah. Already got this. Yeah, already got that. Didn't you check our playlist on YouTube? Well, it's amazing the 1.8 billion monthly YouTube users don't know how it all works. Find out in this episode how we make it all happen. In Frank Pushes Back. Now, Kevin and I work every day putting all these video ideas together and kind of bringing them to fruition, if you'd say. Now, we find possible video ideas from our corporate cruise contacts, through cruise news alerts, our wonderful subscribers, of course, who always give us fantastic ideas, and of course maybe ourselves, we might have a few ideas up our sleeves. So we try to come up with some exciting videos for all of you. Now, I usually lay out the filming schedule, and as of today, most of July's filming is already done. And it's waiting for Kevin to work his magic and edit all of them. Now, we post videos 3 times a week, every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. Now, it's funny, but people that think that the day the video goes live and airs is the day we actually filmed it are so mistaken. That just doesn't happen. And it's just, and again, it kind of goes through the training process here of kind of how it all works. Now, while he's doing all of that computer work, I'm doing the researching, the investigating, I'm writing up the scripts, and I'm trying to get as much of the detailed information that we want to put in these videos, so you get the benefit of the most information that we can find. Now, some of this stuff, that we want to talk about, it's new to us. And it's our job, I think, as YouTube creators, to bring to you as much as we can and not do some quick 2-minute superficial yada yada yada, but again, not have it become a long, drawn out, hour-long droning on and on, as, I don't know, maybe many of you might think this video is. So, I don't know. But let's go through kind of how it all works and how it all happens. Now, first of all, you need to go to our Cruising with Wheels YouTube channel page. And this is what you're going to find. You're going to find that when you key this in, this is our main page. Now, there are 6 clickable links that you can use to navigate through our YouTube channel. The first, obviously, is what you arrived at, which is home. You are on our home page. It's the main page. Now, next, you can click on videos. Now, this is going to give you a complete listing of over 400 videos that we've made. It's quite a long list. The next link is playlist. Now, that kind of shortens it up for you because the playlist is all the videos, but they're divided by category. And that's going to make your navigation a lot easier if you just want to select the category that you're looking for. Next, you'll find community. Now, if you click that on, you're going to find our daily posts of what we put up and that you can comment on. Next is channels. That's featuring other channels. Now, a lot of YouTube creators might not have this on their pages, but we don't feature any other channels on here. And the last one is about. And that's all about us and what we do here and who we are and what our mission statement is. So, those are the 6 most important things you're going to see on that home page. And you decide how you want to navigate it. But I think it's beneficial to you if you click on playlist. You're going to find almost 40 playlists of so many different categories. The most important one, I think, is probably to the cruisers who want to know all about the different cruise lines. Because we have categories from Carnival, Norwegian Cruise Line, Royal Caribbean Cruise Line, Celebrity, Virgin Voyages, brand new, MSC, Holland America, Princess, and Costa Cruise Lines. So not only do we have a lot of cruise line information, but we break it down amongst all the cruise lines, and we bring you so many important things that we know you want to know about. So we talk about cruise preparation, luggage packing, and all our tips and tricks that we use for a successful cruise. Ship tours, cabin tours, shore excursions, and cruise food. Delish! It'll make your mouth water. Cruise line dining packages and drinking packages explained so that we break it down for you so it's easy to understand, because, oh my God, if you go to the cruise line websites, you could drive yourself crazy trying to figure out what's what and where's where and who's who and what's happening. We try to break it down as if it's what we would want to see and understand. All our cruise vlogs from the cruises we've taken from the Caribbean to Alaska. Our famous subscriber Q&As, answering all the questions you send in for us and things that you want to know. Our famous top 10 lists of all the things that will make your cruise experience the best. And of course, Kevin's famous cruise news, where he gets the corporate media relation cruise news alerts, and we bring it to you firsthand. Replays of all our monthly live streams. Our live streams happen the first calendar Sunday of every month. And if you happen to miss it, don't you worry. You can replay it right here on our YouTube channel. Just click on that playlist, live streams. And of course, you know, I have my favorite segments that I know you just all love. Yup, my Tales from the High Seas, Frank Pushes Back, which you're watching right now. And of course, my new Frank's Cooking Corner, where I bring you a lot of my recipes into your home. Well, the last one was subscriber requested. So many of you wanted to know all about us. Who are you guys? Who is Frank? Who is Kevin? What's up with you? How did you meet? When did you get married? Oh my God, we want to know. Well, we brought it to you. Yep, we did a Frank, This Is Your Life, and we did a Kevin, a Paranormal Visit. So go to that playlist of Meet Kevin and Frank, and you'll find out who these two wacky YouTube guys are. And if you haven't found a video you're looking for, you know what? Email us at our email address, cruisingwithwheels@rochester.rr.com. And you can also contact us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat. So I wanted to get this all out there for all of you on how to successfully navigate our Cruising with Wheels YouTube channel to find the videos that you might not think we have, but we do. So, on behalf of Kevin and myself from Cruising with Wheels, and of course, our lovely Cece and Delilah, our favorite little fur babies here at home, we want to remind all of you to always travel safe and cruise often.